Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change text color on card. If you're building a personal website, portfolio, or landing page, knowing how to customize your text colors will help you create a more polished and visually appealing design that matches your brand or style perfectly. First, open your web browser and head over to card.co. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your card dashboard where all your sites are stored. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right panel of your screen. Here you'll see a button that says plus new site. Click on this if you want to create a brand new site from scratch. Alternatively, if you already have an existing site that you'd like to edit, you can simply click on that site to open it up instead. For this tutorial, let's assume you're starting fresh. After clicking plus new site, you'll be presented with several template options. Navigate to the option labeled blank page and click select. This gives you a clean canvas to work with, which is perfect for learning the basics of text customization. Now that you have your blank page open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a plus button. Click on this plus button to reveal a menu of elements you can add to your page. From this menu, select Text. This will insert a text element onto your page that you can now customize. With the text element added, look over to the left panel of your screen. You should see a section labeled Text with a field where you can type. Go ahead and type your preferred text into this field. This could be a headline, a tagline, a paragraph, or anything you want to display on your site. Next, navigate to the upper left panel and click on the Appearance button. This is where the magic happens. The Appearance menu gives you access to all the styling options for your text element, including color, size, alignment, and more. Within the Appearance menu, find the section labeled Color. Here you'll see a color picker tool. Click on the color picker to open it up, and from there you can select your preferred text color. You can choose from a preset palette, or if you have a specific hex code or RGB value in mind, you can enter that manually to match your brand colors exactly. Optionally, while you're in the Appearance menu, you can also adjust the size of your text. Simply use the size slider to make your text larger or smaller depending on how prominent you want it to be on your page. This flexibility allows you to create visual hierarchy and draw attention to the most important elements. Once you're satisfied with the color and size adjustments you've made, click Done. Your changes will be saved and applied to your text element immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the text color on your card site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.